When a developer needs to turn a feature request into a concrete list of Python dependencies, both ChatGPT and Gemini can help, but they take different approaches. In a recent test, each model was given the same natural language description of a web application that required user authentication, a database, and API integration. ChatGPT responded with a detailed requirements document, listing libraries like Flask, SQL Alchemy, and requests, along with version recommendations and installation commands. Gemini, on the other hand, produced a more concise list with brief explanations of why each library was chosen, focusing on modularity and alternative options. The key difference was in completeness versus clarity. ChatGPT covered edge cases like testing tools and environment variables, while Gemini emphasized lightweight choices. For developers starting a project, the best choice depends on whether they want a thorough checklist or a streamlined starting point.